10 costly mistakes small poultry farmers must avoid and how to fix them. Do you want your chickens to grow big, healthy, and make you a lot of money? But wait, many farmers make big mistakes that can kill their chickens, waste their money, and stop their farm from growing. Don't worry, today I've come with another interesting topic, another interesting video. Please make sure you relax and watch this video to the end. I will show you the 10 big mistakes small poultry farmers make and how they can fix them and have a happy and successful poultry farming business. This mistake is not only for small farmers, but I target it for small farmers. If you are a poultry farmer and you know you didn't undergo serious professional training before going into the business, because you just get the money and you just invested the money and it's working for you for the meantime, please, it may not work till the end. You need expertise training. You need a very good professional training for you to get the business and make sure you achieve a better result. Remember that the fact that you are succeeding today doesn't mean that you have to succeed forever. There are certain things you need to know to make you grow. If you're a poultry farmer, you have been in poultry farming business, you can't even afford to make your own feed in your farm. You can't even afford to hatch your own chickens or products. It means you are not growing. How can you be in the business for the past 7 years and up till now you are still buying commercial feed? It means something is wrong somewhere. You are not growing. You are even deteriorating. That's what it means. You can't be in the business for 5 years and up till now you are still buying commercial feed. You can't even afford even ordinary grinding machine. You can't even afford a extruding machine. You can't even afford mixing machine. You can't even afford the ordinary scale. It means something is wrong. You need to wise up. You need to open your eyes and shine your eyes and make profit. Watch this video to the end. Don't skip any of the tracks at all. Let's go there. Mistake number 1, not keeping the brooder warm. Many farmers make this mistake. Baby chicks get cold and weak. Fix them by heating your brooders before, at least some hours before the chicks arrive. 32 to 35 degrees centigrade the first week is very important for them to get warm. And as they are warm, they eat more, and as they eat more, they're able to convert their feed and they grow bigger. The starting point is very important. When they start well, they will grow well, and when they grow well, they will mature well and give you better result. Next one is overcrowding the chickens. Some farmers use little space and jam-pack it with a lot of chickens, and that overcrowding can cause a lot of mortality. Too many chickens in a small space, fighting for space, growing will be difficult. Growth rate will reduce. There will be a lot of sickness, a lot of infectious attack. The air and ventilation will not be there. Therefore, they are going to be prone to a lot of diseases. How to feed them? Give them enough space. At 1.5 square feet per bed for broilers is very important. Feeding low quality or expired feed. Many poultry farmers make this mistake. Poor nutrition, weak chickens, and slow growth. That's what it means. Poor nutrition is equal to weak chickens and is equal to slow growth and equal to zero or low profit. That's what it means. How to feed it? Buy fresh, high quality poultry feed for starting, or make your own feed in your farm. Why not to make your own feed? You have a lot of feed formula you can use to make your own feed that will serve your poultry birds. Rich feed with high crude protein is very important for you, especially 24% crude protein for starting. Then you reduce it to 22% crude protein for at least growing. Then 18% crude protein for finishing. All this crude protein will help you with a lot of vitamins and minerals. Stop buying poultry feed from the market. It's not going to help you. You're not going to make profit from it. The next one is giving dirty water. Many poultry farmers make this mistake. Dirty water spread diseases. And always give your chickens fresh water. Wash drinkers and make it clean daily before you serve them water. Not because they are chicken, they are animals. Therefore, anything I give them, let them no. Make sure the type of water you can drink is the type of water you can give them. So if you can't drink that water, please don't give it to them. Ignoring vaccination. That's the another mistake. Chickens get sick and die early because of lack of vaccination. Don't depend on they have vaccinated it in the farm. No. Make sure you give your own vaccination. Follow the vaccination schedule and give your own vaccination. Follow a proper vaccination schedule for Newcastle, Gomboro, and Marek's diseases and other infections like coccidiosis. Make sure you give them anti-coccidial medications so that they will not die of all these infections. Poor ventilation in the poultry house. Cross ventilation is very important for them to have fresh air. Fresh air help them to grow, and it reduces stress among the chickens and help them to grow. When there's less stress, they will eat well, and when they eat well, they'll be able to convert the feed, and when they convert the feed, they will be able to give you maximum result within a short period of time, and you make enough profit. Not cleaning your poultry house always. Cleaning your poultry house is at least three times in a week. It's very important. Make sure it is always neat, most especially if you are using pen. If you're using pen, deep litter system, it's very important. Unless even if you're using cage system, please make sure the droppings on the floor are not there smelling and affecting the chickens. Make sure you always clean it, wash it and clean it. That's one of the things. Make sure you quarantine any bird that is sick, at least before it affects other poultry within the environment. The next one is not keeping farm records. This is a very serious issue. Many farmers don't even know their expenses and their income. What they know is that at the end of the products they sell and gather enough money. They don't even know whether they are making profit or not. This is very important. Keep record of all the expenditure in that farm, even water, feed, everything you spend. Keep all their record. Staff salaries must be kept. Every expenses must be kept in the record, and make sure you balance it at the end of your farm operation so that you know whether you are making profit or not. Because if you continue without records, you can continue on loss, and this will affect and collapse your business entirely. So make sure you have daily record. It's very important. Write down feed costs, sales expenses, and chicken growth every day. If you weigh your chicken, check whether they are growing, whether the feed you're giving them is adding weight or not. The next one is selling chicken at the wrong time. Make sure you target your market. Sell your chicken at the right time, the time you will make profit. Selling too early, small profit. Selling too late, high profit and high cost also. You have to balance all this. Monitor market prices and sell at the best time for maximum profit. This is very important for you as a poultry farmer. So if you avoid all these mistakes, your poultry farm will be successful, profitable, and stress-free. Which mistake have you made before? Let me know on the comment section. Tell me in the comment section. Let us discuss it. Let me tell you how you can avoid it. If all these mistakes I mentioned here, you have not made any of them, it means please let me know the ones you have made among all this. And if you know that you have not made any mistake at all and your business is moving, let me know how well you are doing. Tell me how long you have been in the business, what you have achieved in the business on the comment section. Let us discuss, and let me guide you also. Because if you have been in the business for years and you cannot make feed in your farm, something is wrong. You cannot hatch your own chickens. You don't have your parents' stock. Something is wrong, and you are still in the same premises and you are not growing. You are not expanding. Something is wrong. Let us discuss on the comment section. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumb up. Share the video to reach more farmers, and drop your comment on the comment section. Let us discuss. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe and activate the bell notification so that anytime there is an update or any other interesting topic on this particular channel, you get notified by this wonderful app. Remember, we have 2 channels, and all these 2 channels we post different videos on daily basis. So make sure you subscribe to both channels, the Poultry Side TV and Dr. Leonard Charles. These are 2 channels we have on poultry and livestock business. Subscribe to both of them and get the best. Thank you for watching this video till now. Share the video till I come your way with another interesting video soon. Bye now. Say bye.